App verifications, making trust real. Every day you use apps that track real things about you. Your workouts, your purchases, where you've been. But here's the problem. That data is locked inside of those apps. No one else can verify that it's real. You can't prove that you actually ran that marathon or made that purchase without screenshots that anyone could fake. XION just changed that with app verifications. For the first time ever, XION is bringing real-world data from your phone apps onto the blockchain, where it can be verified as authentic. Here's what this means in the real world.
Imagine being a global fitness company that wants to launch a challenge. Instead of hoping that people don't cheat, they can verify every mile run and give instant rewards while keeping your information safe. Or, if you're a ride-sharing company, verifying completed trips for tax purposes without exposing personal details.
For developers, this is a game changer. You don't need to rebuild your apps to onboard Web3 capabilities. No complex smart contracts, no steep learning curve. XION works with the mobile frameworks you already know, like Apple's App-Attest and Google's Play Integrity API. Keep your business logic in your app where it belongs. Go to market faster and cut development costs. But most importantly, you don't need to rebuild your app to bring in a Web3 backend.
This works with any iPhone or Android app. Hundreds of millions of smartphones can now connect to verified proof systems, and it happens invisibly in the background. No pop-ups, no hassle.
XION is building a bridge between the apps that you already use and a new world where data can be trusted, not just claimed. From fitness tracking to loyalty programs to supply chains, XION makes it possible to verify anything, anywhere. Hit the link to find out more.